Hello friends, a new concept in tummy tuck surgery is now coming into the plastic surgery world. This is called as the high definition tummy tuck surgery. नया कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्ट बन गया है जिसमें टमी टक सर्जरी जो हम लोग करते हैं फॉर वेट लॉस और पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी. नाउ वी हैव स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग ऑफ क्रिएटिंग काइंड ऑफ अ सिक्स पैक अपीयरेंस. सो इन मेन हम लोग सिक्स पैक अपीयरेंस बनाते हैं, चेस्ट पैक्स बना देते हैं. In women, we try to create hourglass figures and a rib बिल्कुल muscle outline. That is the whole idea of creating a high definition tummy tuck. Now, previously, a tummy tuck was done to remove the extra skin and create some sort of a curve, and nothing more than that. Which is very good procedure, and even today, आज भी बहुत सारे patients वही कराते हैं. With the evolution of high definition surgery or 4D laser surgery, or 360 degree liposurgery, this new concept of creating muscle outlines has started coming. So what does it mean? So for example, this is a typical patient, male or female. Skin is hanging down, chest loose, tires are there. So previously what was done was, we would make a cut like this, remove the belly button and tie these two together. Like that, and belly button would be replaced and made here. Liposuction would be done here in order to create some shapes. So if I see from the side, so this is the chest area, then all this loose skin would be there hanging, and this would be the back and the button. So what would be done was, this amount of loose skin would be taken care of, and a new belly button is formed, and the abdomen would look like this. Back, little bit of lipo, little bit of curve would be created. Nothing would be done to the buttock as such. Now with the newer concept, what is happening? The procedure remains more or less the same here. Remains same till here. The belly button is removed. But now we go very aggressive and start to create shapes like this. More curve. Like this. In women, in men, of course, itna zyada we don't create so much of curve. Little more flat. Then we start creating this kind of a line. And in women, we create these kind of shapes. In men, we go ahead and create pack appearance, six packs. Some women also want six packs, it can be created. Then outlines for the serratus muscle here. As this part comes down, so this is brought together, we also create the outline of the external oblique, which is here. So this kind of sharp line is also created. So basically it then means we've got this pack appearance, we've got the external oblique outline, the serratus anterior muscle outline, flat tummy. So this would be nice and flat, and it would be showing packs like this. We also do BBL, enhance the buttock and create a bigger curve like that. In addition, we can even create chest packs. So we can even create appearance of the packs like this and inject muscle, the pectoralis muscle we inject fat. उसके अंदर fat डाल देते हैं muscle के अंदर, and this becomes bulky, gives a full chest pack appearance. Also, we can create in arms, we can create the deltoid appearance here. Even the biceps appearance can be created, and triceps appearance can also be created. So all this now becomes a part of the tummy tuck process. Of course, the process becomes much longer. Normally tummy tuck 3 से 3.5 घंटे लेती है. Now the process becomes about 4.5 to 5 hours long. But once you heal up, you walk out of the operating room, the hospital, in about a period of 3 months, you will get this kind of a muscle up. So this, dear friends, is the newest concept in tummy tuck surgery, and whether you are a man or a woman, it makes a lot of sense that if you are going for a body contouring procedure, then you can go for a high definition body contouring procedure and start to create all the curves and all the packs. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a founder director of Divine Cosmetic Surgery, and we've been performing these procedures now for about 6 months, and we've done it on a number of men and women, and we've had really amazing feedbacks from